Whether you're starting fresh, downsizing, or looking for space that's just yours, this is more than just a condo, it's your next chapter. Welcome to 845 Smith Road, Unit 103. The new Amherst subdivision is known for its thoughtful design, luxury, and amazing curb appeal. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo offers a bright, open-concept layout with modern finishes throughout. A perfect blend of style, functionality, ideal for anyone looking to simplify without sacrificing space. The covered balcony offers a private outdoor space you'll love year-round. This isn't just a condo, it's low-maintenance living in a location you'll be proud to call home.